Hi, Scruffles. Scruffles the bear.
That's a great wick. There we go.
Yeah,
yeah.
Okay, let's just hope this works.
I'm sorry, Scruffles.
Yes! Oh, yes!
You don't have it?
Come on, grab some.
I think. Still going.
Don't touch it. Dude, the bear's on fire. I'm just gonna go kick it. Hold on. Don't explode on me.
Don't leave it.
No, it's gonna catch the other thing on fire.
You're supposed to step on it, dude.
No, it's gonna keep going.
Go out. There's more where that came from, Rick.
Oh yeah, throw stuff on it. What?
Get flip brass on it.
No, there's
Yes.
more. Will you do the honors, Rick?
Now you film it then. Here, grab it. Keep putting it. Keep putting it.
Are you guys gonna put it on YouTube?
Okay.
Yes.
This is to Jesse.
What is that?
It's paper.
This is Jesse.
That's to Jesse.
But who belongs to Jesse?
McKay.
Yeah! 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 Hey! Oh yeah. I'm in trouble.
I'm glad the grass is black.
Dude, this is awesome. There's one more package in there, so just...
Oh my gosh!
No, it's down in the middle of it. Dude, just look at that. Here, get close to it.
There, no, you got the camera.
I got it.
Here.
Okay, dude, that thing's like...
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Dude, just look at this stuffing. It's like, seriously.
Just don't go back into the pool.
Okay, get some more stuff and throw it on it.
What's the secret?
Oh, whatever.
Oh, you know that.
Mac, I told you!
Whoa!
Dude, I so got that! I so got that!
That was a close one, man.
Move, Cam. No, yes!
Looks like he's farting, man.
Bye-bye, man! Okay, Alex, you wanna put your board on it?
Sure.
It's just to Katie. Here, let me get a picture of it. Let me get a good shot. Okay, to Katie. Bye-bye,
Is there
Katie.
anything else in there?
I think there's one more. I'm not
Yes,
sure.
there is.
Looks like a
There,
fart.
look.
Back
Hear
up.
it.
No, Kim, that's the thing catching on fire.
Ah,
Okay.
come on.
Don't pull him, McKay.
What else? What else is there?
You
You have to let your Navy
going.
SEALs in there.
What? I don't have any Navy SEAls. Oh, yeah. Rick?
It's like melting.
Okay. This one's to Emily.
May she burn in heck.
Sarah Lewis.
Wow. We're going here today.
So why are you burning all this stuff?
Because we don't like them.
This girl sucks.
You'll learn when you're older, Sonny.
I'm 12.
To Sarah.
Yeah, that's not old enough.
Harley.
Sorry, bro.
I didn't get my permit. They're doing a ceremonial.
Sarah Lewis. Don't open this one.
No, don't open it. Don't open it.
Get it right?
The more that's packed in there, it'll be cooler.
You've never read it?
I did.
Okay, what happened? The bear is gone. There's no bear.
There is no bear now.
What bear are you talking about, Cam?
Dog. There's no dog left. Whatever
no
it is.
dog either.
Dog, bear, thing.
Charlie, get over here.
Okay.
I'll be expecting this on YouTube.
It'll be there. You just pulled a McKay.
And let's see that twist trick that you mentioned.
What was that? Oh, wait.
Is that Navy SEAL?
Yes!
What was that?
Was that a ground bloom or
I
what
don't
was
know.
that?
Was that one of my things?
That looked like
Did you just throw it in, or?
Yeah.
I found it on the table. I thought I fell out of the bear.
Oh no, that was my. You can throw that stuff on there. That's my stuff. But
Oh,
Yeah.
put the
no,
half
throw it. No, not the whole thing. McKay adding stuff.
Test to prove you're a
some stuff.
I'm
pirate.
gonna be adding this.
Yeah, we got it. Do one at a time.
This is the end.
What is that?
Oh, zoom in on it. Hold on.
What is that?
This is to Jesse again.
I have to tell you, I love you very much, but we got to move on. So, Heil Hitler.
That's going on YouTube. You know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. I'm
Put it
just
out there
kidding.
for a second. Yes. That's a lot.
Where'd the bear go?
I said that.
It's a dog. Yeah, I know, but it's just like
You should have kept the limb of it.
the what?
Give her back like an arm.
You left this out of my house one day.
Or give her the pile of ashes.
That's true. We can each put one of these in the bag. Just say here. This is to you. Okay, I think that's all of it. Let's just hope nothing else explodes.
Okay. You want to?
What's-
The little spin things. But they're fun to play with.
What are
All right,
What is it?
I'm out of those.
final.
I might have like one more.
What
Alright,
Here we
last
go.
one.
The little spinny things.
Oh, here, it's right there.
Low one.
You missed again. Don't worry, I'll put it in with my face.
Fire's getting closer.
Just blow it on.
Apparently it's with smoke now.
There we go.
Oh my goodness.
Did you add the other one? Do you want a stick
Yeah.
maybe?
No, let me use my tongue.
They failed?
I bet after a while our YouTube viewers would be gone because they think it's all over.
That's okay.
Except the red bar, which.
Okay, there it is.
Whoa!
Hey, Mom, get the thing back up.
Okay.
They know about
Alex, what do you have to say about this?
Hi.
Anything else?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, what about you, McKay?
Well, it's the end, but I gotta say, it was worth it.
It's a dog, right?
Shut up.
Jump in the pool.
All right.
Jeff, you?
Just
You didn't burn anything but fireworks.
burn anything, but
Okay.
You can have my
You gotta do yourself.
Okay, that's all I have to say.
Your choice.
That's about it.
That's right back.